Let us learn to lead. Welcome back to the video series on free open source software designed by M. Srinivasan, Training Associate Mathematics, Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan, Zonal Institute of Education Training, Mumbai. Self-learning content in video form on GeoGebra, dynamic mathematics software is presented at this video series. To view the contents, you may join Google Classroom by using the class code 73AUMBO. In this video, you will learn designing worksheet to verify property of median of a triangle, how it divides the triangle into two triangles of equal area. For preparing this video lecture, I used Windows 10 operating system, a licensed version, GeoGebra 5.0, a free open source software, and free open source screen recorder software. Let us start. Let me show you what type of worksheet we are going to prepare. We are going to tell the children one of the result on median of a triangle. Apart from it, it meets at a point where it is called a centroid, and how it divides the centroid, how it divides the median, and so on. It's another property on how it divides the triangle into two triangles of equal areas. For that, I have taken a triangle. I have taken the median, and AD is the median, and it divides the triangle into two triangles. I have to check whether the areas are equal, and I'm going to make use of the GeoGebra tool and getting the area directly, and its area is equal now. Now I can drag and check out whether the area is always equal. The areas of both the triangles are always equal. Let us try to design this worksheet from scratch. For that, I have selected GeoGebra Classic 5 worksheet. Geometry view is taken. In the option rounding off to 2 decimal place and labeling of new points only. Let us have this navigation bar also activated. Now we have to tell the children about the result. Therefore, you can start with the heading for this result on median of a triangle, and you can ask them then what are the results the child knows. Then you let them list out what are the results. Now this is a new result on how the median divides the triangle into two triangles, and we are going to compare what is the speciality of that two triangles. Okay, well, now this is the result. Now we can go for explaining it actually. A median, how it does. Again, in the ABC you can paste it. Okay, now you can go and ask question to the children what they mean by the median and how it divides. Okay, wait, let us go for it now. For that, I am taking one triangle A, B and C and come back to A. Okay, I will bring this B here, A here and C here. Okay, I can make it little bit big so that it will be easy. Okay, now I have to draw one of the medians. For my convenience, let me take this point, go to the midpoint. You can touch either A and B or simply touch AB. You will get the midpoint. Now D is the midpoint now. Now what will happen to this CD now? This CD, when you join as a segment, this CD will become the median. For now, you can declare to the children that CD is the median. Okay, now what that CD does, it divides the triangle it into two triangles. Okay, now you can tell the children that CD divides ABC into two triangles. You can tell them that first triangle A, you can go in order, ADC, and the another triangle you can tell them that it is BDC or CBD, whatever it may be. Okay. To show it, you have to draw the triangles now. Go to this polygon once again. Go for A, touch this D, touch this C, then touch this A. Now, if you want to give a separate color to it, go to this graphing. This will be taken as a T2, or you can go to this object properties. In the object properties, you can give a color to it. You can give the style of this line also. Line thickness can be increased and some color can be given to it. And opacity also you can change it. Okay, now the first triangle you have got. Let us go to the second triangle now. Once again, go to this polygon. You can go for touch this D, touch this B, touch this C, and come back and touch that C. Now you got one more triangle. Now you see, you got a T3. One more triangle, you got it as T3. Now this T3 also, you can right click, go to the object property, and you can have a color to it. Already this color is okay. If you want, then you can color thickness you can have. Then you can go to this opacity little bit. Okay, now you got two triangles. Now what you have to claim to the children, that their areas are equal. Therefore let us make the statement over here. Area of triangle ADC is equal to area of triangle BDC. Okay, now let us try to get this area now. It's very simple. You can get it from here. Suppose go to this area and then touch it and then touch it. You are getting it, both of them. Both the areas are 19.4 and 19.4. But if you want to show it over here, already I told you that whenever you are drawing any triangle, it will take it as a T1, and these two triangles are T2 and T3. Therefore in the object you can go for this T2 is equal to, then you can go to this object property T3. Okay, then you can press it as okay. Now you see, now here if you want to show it, here also you can show it, or otherwise you can hide it also. You can hide this or you can hide this. Now when you just move it, okay, escape, when you move it, you see it is going on changing. If you want to show it, display it over here also, you can display it. There won't be any problem in that. But for displaying, all of you know that, go to this graphing. You see this T2 I have made it as this one. Therefore what you can do is, once again you can go for this area and touch it here and touch it here, and it will tell you that area of ADC and area of DBC, whatever may be. Okay, now a child will come and understand what actually median does. It divides the triangle into two triangles of equal area every time. Okay, now he can come and drag it, and everywhere the number is changing, he can verify it also. Thank you. Let us learn to lead.